Hello everyone, today we're making no kneading Italian focaccia. This is very easy to make and turn out super soft, very delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. To my mixing bowl, I added in water, warm water, followed by dry active yeast. You can use the fresh yeast as well. I stirred till well combined, and then I added in flour, salt, and then stir till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So mix till everything has come together and go in with olive oil. You can go ahead and mix with your spatula till everything has come together, but I prefer using my hands to bring everything together. So I used my hands to bring everything together. Don't overstretch the dough. Once everything has come together, cover it with a cling film and then let this rest for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring it and then fold the four sides. So stretch and then fold it in. Stretch, turn the bowl, stretch and then fold it in. As seen in the video, it should be something like this. So you're going to eyeball four sides from the bowl, bring one part, stretch and then fold it in. When done, cover it and then put it in the oven or in the microwave to rest for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you have to repeat the same process. So you repeat it at least 3 times. The last one, when done folding, just cover it with a cling film and then put it in the fridge overnight. As seen in the video, put it in the fridge overnight. So the next day, go ahead, sprinkle some olive oil in your baking tray, brush it and bring out the dough. Take out the cling film, deflate the dough, transfer it in your baking tray and fold it very well. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. So cover it with a cling film and then let it rest for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring the dough out. Make sure you brush your palm with a little bit of oil, spread it very well, let it rest until it has doubled in size before baking. Once it has doubled in size, sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on it, brush your palm with olive oil as well, and then create little holes in the dough as seen in the video. So for the topping, you can use any veggies of your choice. I went in for olive and rosemary, fresh rosemary. You can use onion, tomatoes, garlic, any veggies of your choice at all. Go ahead and bake this bad boy at 180 degrees Celsius from 25 to 30 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius from 25 to 30 minutes. And as you can tell from the video, that's very easy to make. It is super easy. It was super soft. It was super delicious and you will love it. Just look at it. Just look at this bread. It's amazing. And look at how it even bounced back. It was very delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you till then. Bye bye.